In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Zendesk knowledge base. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's jump right into it. First things first, let's sign into Zendesk. Navigate to the Zendesk website and look for the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your admin account credentials. This is essential because you need administrative access to create and manage your knowledge base effectively. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From there, look for the Zendesk Products tab. You should see a drop-down menu. Click on that, and you'll need to select Guide. This is Zendesk's dedicated knowledge base software. It's where all your knowledge-sharing efforts will come together. Now that we're in the Guide section, it's time to start organizing your content. We've got to add a category first. Look for the Add button on your screen. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Click on that, and from the options that pop up, select Category. Think of categories as the broad organizational chapters for your future articles. They're essential for grouping similar topics together, so take a moment to think about how you want to organize your content. Once you've selected to add a category, the next step is to name and describe it. This is where you get to be a bit creative, but also practical. Make sure to enter an intuitive and clear name for the category. It should reflect what kind of content your users can expect to find under it. Along with the name, you'll want to provide a concise description. This helps guide your users as they navigate through the categories. Aim for something straightforward. Think of it as your category's elevator pitch. With your category named and described, you'll want to make sure everything is saved properly. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click that to finalize the layout structure. Skipping the saving step could mean losing valuable work, so definitely don't overlook this. And there you have it. You've just set up your first category in the Zendesk knowledge base. You're now on your way to creating a comprehensive knowledge base that your users can easily access whenever they need help or information. As you continue to build out your knowledge base, keep an eye on how you're categorizing your information. The better organized your categories are, the easier it will be for your users to find the answers they're looking for. Remember, a well-structured knowledge base can greatly enhance your support process and improve user experience. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I'm here to help you make the most of your Zendesk experience. Happy organizing, and good luck with your new knowledge base.